When All Things Motoring goes off-road, so to speak, you know it's going to be fun.
So today we're at Hartbeespoort Dam, my part of the world. We've got a lot of fans and friends out here. We're going to be on the water. We're going to show you boat safety. We're going to show you how to have fun on the boat, fun on the tubes. I heard an incredible saying today, and I'm not going to coin it because I heard it. If there's a throttle,
then there's no bottle.
And that's our motto, and we stick to it.
Just like heard, there's so much go on through these cars today.
All Things Motoring International was brought to you by SA's most trusted online vehicle platform, ChangeCars. Our name says it all. There is no safer online vehicle platform. That's not an opinion, that's a fact.